Alright everybody, I'm here shooting this vlog in an airport because I love you guys. But anyways, here in an airport shooting this vlog because I want to get this video up. I think this will probably be the first YouTube video I've ever uploaded while on a plane. I was out in Santa Cruz all weekend at a skimboard contest. I stayed out here for a few days afterwards to collaborate on a couple pranks, but I ended up thinking that my flight was a day later than it was, so I'm here at the airport shooting this video. I wanted to post a video before I got home to Florida, so I figured I might as well try to while I'm on the plane. While I was in Santa Cruz, a pretty insane skimboarding wipeout happened. A collision between Perry Pruitt and Jesse Solomon. First thing I gotta say is I give Jesse mad props for just getting up and continuing to skim, regardless of his head bleeding. Basically, I hope you guys enjoy this quick video, and once I'm back in Florida, we have plenty of new pranks coming soon. Shout out to Hulk Hogan's Beach Shop. And
oh! You!
Got inside. Bring it off the top. Drive it home! Top. Drive it home! Drive it home! Whoa. You alright? Done. We got a first aid kit. So we'll call that heat right now. Done.
You have that first aid.
Hungry apparently.
still
I think
skimming.
he saw this bowl. That's what it was. Man up. Perry will kick out. Jesse bringing it up. Oh, Mikey. You guys got 3 minutes left.
Finish it out like a boss.
Jesse killing it still.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for updates. Anyway, thanks again. Sorry for the airport vlog, but at least it's interesting. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys in a couple days with a new prank.
I saw that. Yeah. I want to see like the video on World. I was just like, bro, like famous. What's the countdown?
Jamie.